Hi guys, and this is a new video about TikTok application. So today we will show you how to search for filters on TikTok app. So let's go to this application. Right now we are on our profile page, and now I will show you all of the possible ways to search for a filter. So the first one is just by using the Discover feature, which is located at the bottom of the screen. So I will go to this section here, and if I know the name of my effect I want to add to the account, I need to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and just set the name of this filter. So as an example, I will choose this DVD one. And wait a minute, as you can see here, we don't have this special section here like filters, but you just only have to swipe the list down and to find this filter on the list. And as you can see here, we have the needful one, which is the first of all of the videos and filters. So let's pick on it one time. And you can, as an example, add this filter to your favorites after tapping on the saved button opposite. And also don't forget about the use this filter option to create a new TikTok with this effect right now. But I won't do this. I will show you another way to search for a filter. So the next one is, for example, if you are on the For You page and you like this TikTok which used the special effect, you can tap on the name of this effect here above the description. So I will do this. And right now you can also add this effect to your favorites or use it right now. So it was the second option. And the last one is to search for a filter when you are in the created mode. So let's do this. The creating mode. So let's go to this creating mode, as I said, after tapping on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Right now we can create a new TikTok, but before we will choose a new effect after tapping on the effects key here. And we just only need to pick on the search option, which is the second one on the list. So I will set the name of my filter, of my effect I want to add. It will be the DVD one. And as you can see, we have this effect first on the list. I need to tap on it one time and it's activated. It's activated actually, so don't forget to pick on the saved option to don't lose it later. And of course, let's shoot a new video with this effect. As you can see, we have this filter visible on our TikTok. Later let's pick on the check mark or hold this shooter to the end. And as you can see, a lot of different filters have added sounds with them. So if you want to save this sound, let's tap on the next option, but if you want to disable it, let's tap on the cross opposite. And right now let's pick on the next feature to add this TikTok to the drafts or post it to our TikTok profile page, which I do. So guys, if you think that this tutorial was useful and interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and of course on TikTok. Bye bye!